What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today, again, I'm here to share you out song "Easy" by Troye Sivan, the easiest guitar lesson and also accurate. So let's get started. We have the keyboard on the first fret. Now the thing is, we don't need to worry about the structure of the song because we have intro, verse, chorus, bridge, and throughout the whole song, likely we are having the same chord progression going. Except I'm just going to show you one part which is with the strumming, another which mainly focuses on sounding the chords, just going over through the chords. So this lesson gonna be very easy and also short at that time. So let's get started. We have the keyboard on the first fret to make it super easy and avoiding all the bar chords, maximum bar chords we can, but still we got another bar chord, but this one is very common and you guys can actually play this. So let's get started. The first chord, let's start with the D, which is mute 0 2 3 2. Then we have A major, which is mute 0 2 2 2 0. Then we have a G 3 2 open 3 3, and then we basically have a B minor, which is mute 2 4 4 3 2. Barred third 4 4. Agreed, I went a bit fast with the chord shapes, but obviously you can just pause the video, have a look at the chord charts, see where to place your fingers, which will be easy to you on, and that's it. So keep on the first fret. Always sharing this line, but it's causing bar, and keep on the first fret to match up with the key of the song. So just have a look at the chord progression, which goes same throughout the whole song. It's a D major, then an A, then a B minor, and then a G. So that's it. Now the chord progression will be a D, A, B minor, G. So you know this one. Now what you're gonna do is, for the first part, which is a bit soft part, the soft part, when we have the chorus, I'm just gonna show you the string pattern. But for this part, just see what you're gonna do. You have the D major chord. Whatever you do, you're just gonna strum your pick with your pick, obviously, till the B string in all the chord shapes. So the D major, mute 0 2 3. Till the B string, don't hit the high E string. And for the A sus or A major, it's actually A sus 4, you will play the A major chord, but instead of the second fret on the B string, you will play third fret on the B string, which is the A sus 4, which means this finger is actually fixed for all the chord. For the B also, this is an easy shape which you can play, which is mute 2 3. So it's like basically I'm hitting the bass notes and all, and then I have the G. One down, that's it. 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. B 2 3 4. And you can just go with this for the verse and all, and even for the bridge. That's it. Now let's play the full chord and have a look at the string pattern. Now the string pattern will be 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, which is basically downs. All are downs, but on the one we have that accent, we have the beat. We're just gonna focus on that. So we have 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. So on the first down or the one, we are doing a down, which mainly focuses on strumming the full chord, and on the 2 3 we are doing a down, but it strums mainly the bass note or the D string or the G or the D string or the E string, A string of the chord. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. Now that's it for the string pattern. I don't think that it will make you confused a lot, because super easy. Down 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 down. 1 2 3. So it's nice and easy. Now we got D, we got all the chord shapes. It's actually night time, getting a bit sleepy again. I have to wake up early in the morning, go to the park, because gyms are all closed over here. So never mind, we got the D, we got the A, we got the B minor, then we have the G. Now for this song, what I like to do is, before coming to the G major chord, I like to do a walking bass line from the open E to the second fret on the E, which is the F sharp. then to a G. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. So like 1 2 3. You see what I'm doing? Play the full chord right now. It's like 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. But that's completely an option. And that's almost everything you need for this lesson. So therefore make sure to subscribe my channel, because I'm doing as much as I can. So check out other videos. There are a lot of Troye Sivan I have done till now. And that's it. Drop me one of this if this helped you out, and I'll see you guys back in my next video. Till then, bye.